CHEVY. I'm flossing in my CHEVY. I'm riding in my.
Let's take a trip down memory lane, shall we? 2013. I got out of the military. I had some vehicles. A C-10. A C-10 like I have now. Only it was a long bed and it looked way better than the one I have now. I think I ended up getting rid of it because it was carbureted and I just didn't have that much of an attachment to it because I didn't build it. As you know now, you can't tear me away from any of my vehicles. There is no price you can pay me because I have created them into what they are today. Unless I just fall on hard times and all that. So check out this video. I did it for a school project, but it showcases my early film editing skills when I'm purposely trying to make a point. Or purposely trying to shoot it a certain way and tell a story. This is how it will go. So check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Let's go.